First, let's lock down your browser. I'll show you the ones in Edge first and then the ones in Chrome. So come down to Edge, open it up, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, click on Settings. You want to come across here to Privacy. What I want to tackle first is Tracking Prevention, so click this one. Change it to Strict. Go back to Privacy here. Turn on the Do Not Track. Send Request. Back to Privacy and Search. Down to Security. And make sure always switch to more secure connections with HTTPS is turned on. That's it. Close Edge. Next we go into Chrome. Click on Chrome. Three dots. Click on Settings. Privacy and Security. Come down to Security. Turn on the Enhanced Protection. Go back to Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy Guide. Next. Next. Done. And that's it. That's your browser secure. Let's close down Chrome. Step 2. Encrypt your DNS. Start. Type in Settings. On the left hand side, choose Network and Internet. Choose your Ethernet. If you're connected via Wi-Fi, if you're not. Click on Ethernet. Down here to DNS Assignment. Click on Edit. Change it from automatic to manual. Turn on IPv4. Need to put an address in here. We're going to use a Cloudflare one. So that's 1.1.1.1. You want this DNS HTTPS turned on. This will encrypt all your traffic. So say on automatic. If this one fails and it can't connect to this one, it needs a fallback address. So click on this one. The alternative is 1.0.0.1. Click on automatic template. If you've done this correct, it should save. And you should see encrypted here. That's step 2. If this helps, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Third step is to turn on a VPN that hides your IP address from anybody looking online. So I've got my VPN down here. So currently it's connected to the USA. It thinks I'm in the US. So just to show you that one, if I just open up a website, what is my IP? It should start detecting. It thinks I'm in New York City. You can tell by my accent, I'm definitely not in New York. But you can change this to anywhere in the world. So if I want to come back to England and Scotland, it'll move me to Scotland. Go back to our website. And there you go. It thinks I'm in Scotland. So that encrypts your IP address. Okay, we'll minimize this. Step 4, limit Windows data collection. So let's go to Settings. We'll click on Start, type in Settings, back to Privacy and Security, down here. Diagnostic and Feedback. This one. And make sure the optional feedback is turned off. Also turn off View Diagnostic Data. Make sure you regularly delete this diagnostic data. Feedback frequency, change that one to never. And there you go. You can go through other privacy options as well. Step 5, lock down your app permissions. So, click on Privacy and Security again. Scroll down here. You've got location, camera, microphone, voice activation. You have to go through these manually, so click on Location. And just look down the apps that absolutely don't need your location. I've got mine turned off. Click on the top on Privacy and Security, or over on the left hand side to you back to where you were before. Click on Camera. What apps actually need access to your camera? So I've turned all mine off. Go back to Security again. Same again for your microphone. Have a look through this list. What doesn't need access to your microphone? Turn that off. Voice activation. I've had to leave this one on because I'm recording this video, but you can turn yours off. And that's it. Now you've got a VPN shield, DNS encrypted, trackers are all blocked, Windows data is limited, all apps are on lockdown. You're all set. If you want the easy button for privacy, I've linked the VPN tools. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and if you get stuck, drop a comment in the description, and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.